Hello everybody and welcome to week 9, and we're back with MBOT again. We will be talking about the line follow sensor this week, and I have a reference link for you, and I'd like to go through it with you to point out some of the features of it. Okay, the specifications, not too much there. Now, on the features, it's important to go through that and see some potential limitations. It said it is susceptible to natural light, so it may not perform well in places where the ambient light varies greatly. Like in the classroom, if you are practicing and you practice in a place where the sun's coming through the window, you might get some odd results. Okay, it supports block-based coding in block 5. Okay, that's what we're doing. RJ25 is a phone connector. It's not a Cat5 connector. See what else here. This is one thing I didn't know is this. These pretty little colors here mean something, and this blue means that it can hook up to this sensor. Okay, now you were going to see, if you see this odd kind of looking icon here, that this looks like it's a little different than the artwork with us. This is for an M block 3. We're on an M block 5. And what happens if you go through, there's basically 4 different values it can have. And 0 means that you're on the line. 1 means you're off to the right, so you got to move to the left. 2 means you're off to the left, so you got to move to the right. And 3 means you're off completely. Okay, we don't want to use this version because, first of all, it's upload and it's for the Panda. We don't want to use it for the Panda. We want to use it for Lightning because we want him to move. If we want him to move, he has to be in upload mode, and he cannot be connected to the computer. Okay, definitely don't want to do it in C, because if you can do it in C, you don't need to be in this class. Don't worry about the schematic. Okay, here we go. Line following program on M block 5. Okay, here it says when onboard button press. I would like you to change that to when the remote A or the remote button of your choice is pressed. That way you're up and you're better able to observe them. Okay, you've got an event loop here, the forever loop. And it keeps on reading the line follower's sensor value, and it could be one of 4 values: 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means you're on the black line, so it says move forward at power 50. 80%, you probably want to make that 50%. Okay, 1 means it's off to the right, so you need to push it back to the left. And instead of doing this fancy stuff here, you may want to just say turn left at 50% power. Okay, here it's off to the left, so you need to push it to the right. And again, I would just say I would turn right 50% power. Okay, here it says move backward at 40%. I would just have it stop. Okay, so we have talked through our reference. This is the program you may use as a starter program. I'm expecting that, so you don't need to particularly reference it. And looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Looking forward to the submissions and looking forward to talking with you about it. Talk to you later.